Hello, we have the SmartMoney Silver microphone for iPhones. This has Bluetooth and microphone and is perfect for vlogs. You can see right here, it is for iPhones, iPads, iPods, made in China. It's from a registered source, so let's open it up. Inside we have our manual that shows you how to use it. Then we have the actual Sabine right here. Here is where the microphone and stuff is, and here's where the charger are. It comes with a little thing to put on top, so you can do your personal interviews and stuff just like a professional. And then we have our charging stuff. It doesn't have a plug, but you can put it into anything. As you can see, it's a mini one, so in case you ever lose it, you already know what to do. This works really well. Has the button right here, so it's easy use, and it's a clip, so you can put it right there next to your mouth, and you can on the go. Everything works just fine for this. It's great for TikToks or just blogging, and it's on the go, and it works great with your phone, as many people use this to blog with their phone, not just with a Go phone. So if you'd like this and like to try it out, please click on the link below. And thank you, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, bye.